Hi, I'm Tim. Are you an author and want to know a simple way to promote your book to a global audience in multiple languages in 2022 or 2023? Watch the next 2 minutes and see how we can help.
Authors often struggle to promote their book and get them into the hands of readers. There are a lot of services out there designed to help authors like you sell more books, but they can be expensive or confusing. You need something that works with your budget and schedule, not against it. The good news is that you can reach a global audience with our book promotion services. At SAFX, our range of low-cost promotional packages includes translation of your book and book promotional material into multiple languages to help make it easy for readers in different parts of the world to find out about your new release. And if you need a video trailer or an author interview produced or translated into another language, we can offer that free with some of our promotions. Or, if you just want us to proofread your manuscript before publication, we've got that covered too. We're here to make book promotion easy for you by offering a range of affordable services. We understand how important it is for authors like yourself to get their books distributed as widely as possible, which is why our team works tirelessly on your behalf, so that you don't have to worry about anything but writing the next bestseller. Our work has helped many authors reach tens of thousands of new readers worldwide. Book a free consultation and quote today.
Click on the link below to arrange a free consultation with our experts.